Hello everyone, welcome back to my Excel function tutorial, and in this video we will learn about the substitute and replace functions. And what do these two functions actually do? First we will start with the substitute function. And substitute is used to replace a specific text in a text string. For example, we have a old idea as shown here, and then we don't like this old ID. We just want to take out all this minus sign, and we want to substitute with the space, right? So now we will do it together. Substitute and then text. Text is the text that we want to substitute, and then comma, and then all text. All text is the minus sign that we want to substitute. So remember, we have to use this double quote and then minus sign, and then we will replace it with a space. So which is double quote and then space and then double quote, and then instance num. Instance num is let's say, for example, we want to replace only this first minus sign. That means instance num is number 1. If we don't want to substitute or replace this minus sign, the first minus sign, we want to replace the second minus sign with the space, so we put it number 2. But if we want to replace all the minus signs, so we just leave it like this. Okay, so all the minus sign gone. But let me show you. If we want to just change the first minus sign here, we put number 1. So just the first minus sign, substitute by the space. But we want to replace the second minus sign with space, we put here number 2. Alright, it's easy if you know it, right? So in this video I want to replace all the minus sign, but I just show you whatever you can do out of it. Okay, so that's it. And then for this replace function, it's used to replace any text that occurs in a specific location in a text string. Slightly similar to the substitute, but a little bit different. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a all ID, but we don't like this to be like this. We just want 2 letters. We want to remove this F and then replace with minus sign. So we'll do together. Replace and then all text. Start num. Start num is the position that you want to start. So F is in the 3rd position, so start num is number 3. And then numchars. Numchars is how many character that you want to replace in the 3rd position. Let's say we want only to replace the letter F, so we will put 1, because only 1 character that we want to replace. And then with the new text, what is the new text? It's a minus sign, and then hit enter. Alright, very easy, but unless you understand, right? Okay, so it's simple, but I think it's very useful when you have a lot of let's say product ID or whatever ID that you're working with, and then you want to change that ID. You don't just do it one by one. You just use substitute or replace function to do the work, and then you will save a lot of time. So thank you, that's it for today. I hope you really learned something, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.